Organize Igbo Muloza Mozekine Kwamona because ebe na nene na ayasim ihe ọma ihe melo nwoke melo nwaanyị n'ụbọchị nke taa biko dodo ọ bụrụ na ifugo onwe video nchọkụ na achọrọ m ka anyị gbafee ọsọ nenegoro na obele ihe onyonyo anụ biko nenecha anyị anachita azụ ka kọwaa ihe ọzọ unu nchọkụ nụ ghọta n'ime nenenu video.
See, the Nigerian government should not mistaken anything towards the east. The Nigerian government, please stay on your lane. Don't go close to the east. Don't try anything towards the east. Let the military be careful about the east. Let the Nigerian government be careful about the east. All has been said and done. But nobody is listening. Isaiah 53 says, who will believe our report? Not until it happens. Please stay calm. The East is saddled now with the responsibility to take the best of their ability out. Let the East remain in peace. This whole thing is going to go a way that we don't want. There is war. There is war. Today is 6th.
Ekenekwa nke onye mana ege ntị n'afọ m niile na-esigo nya bụ vidiyo. Ọ bụghị na esi vidiyo echete vidiyo anụnwa. Ihe echete nka. Ma ndị na-esonyela anyị. Ihe me njiwe na-eweta ihe a ka ọ bụ abụ na ka anyị sị na-agbafulu ọzọ. Enwere ihe anyị nwa bụ ndị ụka na-ekwu sị na okwu ofufu okwu ka o kwuru mana okwu na-abụ ka anyị nụrụ maka na gịnị mere na ike niile dị n'aka Chukwu. O wee sịkwa na n'ọnụ mmadụ ịbụọ ma ịtọ na eziokwu adịghị ile. Enwere onye na-achọ ịkwado, enwerekwa onye na-asị gị biko na onye nke a bụ nke ezigbo onye nke a bụ nke ọjọọ ya. Mana a sị na ekwue na anụrụ gburu nwata mana afọ na ekwurọ gburu okenye. Biko dodo ndị Igbo be anyị enwere ihe ya bụ achọrọ ịnwe ụfọdụ oge anyị agba nkịtị. Vidiyo na nwakete ihe mee njibe eweta ya kwunu fọ na ọ bụrụ sọsọ ofu onye na-ekwu nya bụ okwu ekwukọtazi n'ofu onye ọ dịkwa ka ha si na ọ bụ ihe a na-apịchi ọ na-apịkọ apịkọ wee mee. Mana ihe niile ahụ a na-eme enwere ohe ọjọọ nchọ ka ịnene ejigoro onwe gị ajụ sị kemgbe afọ ọmụrụ kemgbe ndị Igbo gbakọrọ aka ọnụ skepsi gba ya ndị Anambra gbakọrọ aka ọnụ wee wepụta udo ga-achị anyị na-emeta anyị mma ka ha na-egbu anyị egbu. Ohi ya ajụ onwe gị a sị na ihe mekata ajụ ese kedu ije ebube agụ na ndị ọchịchị anyị nọ n'ala Igbo je tata maka iri ịbịa gbakọsịcha wepụ ewechọpụta ma na akwụ n'ofu mmiri ahụ ka na-asụ n'ime ite ahụ. So biko ewerekwa ebube agụ na-achọ ime ihe a na-eme ka nsikwa ekwu ya ikwekwana ka mmadụ wele gị tụwele iwelu ndụ gị tụwele mmadụ maka na mmadụ si gị gaba n'iru. Okwu na-ekwu nwe ka o si aga a sịkwa m ikwekwana ka mmadụ si gị welu ndụ gị tụwele onye ọzọ maka na onye asị gị gaba na-akwụ gị n'azụ. Onye a na-asị gị gaba kedu ebe ụmụazị ya nọ, onye a na-asị gị gaba kedu ebe ndị agbata obi ha nọ. Onye nke kwuru okwu sị na achọrọ m ikwu kaliona na-enotọpụ na vidiyo anọ kwunofu.
Udo gachi in Igbo land supposed to work with wisdom. They are vigilante group and they should work as vigilante group. ESN is not a vigilante group. Biafran defense or Biafran army are not vigilante group. If Udogati are doing their job as vigilante group, then they should focus in going after the Fulani herdsmen, going after the criminals in our land, and distance themselves from ESN. ESN is not the problem in the East. Rather, ESN is the solution in the East. Biafran Defense Force are not the problem in the East. Rather, they are the solution in the East. That is the reason why Nigerian government is trying all they can or all they could to bring this our people or our defense forces down. Vigilante group Udogachi must be very, very careful. Don't go and pay your life with what you don't know. Remember, Ebubago came. Today they are no more. Most of them were unalived. Most of Ebubago were unalived. Most of Asari Dokubo boys were unalived for this same cause. When you go and unalive yourself in the hand of your brother, fight your brother and get pied by your brother, you are not a hero. You can never be a hero. You people should have a secret meeting with Biafran Defense Forces and ESN so that everybody will maintain their lane. Don't allow them to send you to use pump action to go and be confronting somebody with machine guns, AK-47, assault rifles. Is a suicide movement. Udogati must distance themselves from confronting their brothers who are fighting for our freedom. These guys are freedom fighters. They are not vigilante group. So you must stay away from them. Even the military are running away from them. You that has ordinary AK-47, you are ordinary pump action, you are going after them. Why? Why are you unaliving yourself, wasting your life for nothing? How much is Anambra State government paying you? Have you asked about Ebubago? Where is Ebubago today? Ebubago has disappeared and gone into thin air. The same way that you people will disappear if you continue the way that you are operating now. If you continue what you are doing now, the same thing will happen to you. It's not good that these people are using us against our people. They will jam our heads together. We'll be fighting and unaliving ourselves. It doesn't make sense. You people should use your number 6. We are one. We are brothers. And what we are fighting is for our freedom and not for the unity of Nigeria. Nigeria can never be united. If Nigeria is united or is meant to be united, then let the unity start from the north. Let the northerners be united within themselves. Let them stop unaliving themselves. Let them stop forming terrorist organizations, different set of terrorist organizations. That is where the unity will start. Let them not come to the east and be preaching unity for us, because we are united on our own and we are peaceful. The only problem that we have is that they want to penetrate our land by all means, and we said no. And they are now using army to pressure us. So therefore, unaliving our people and tagging, using their media and be tagging it on our security forces, and they'll be using it to demonize our security forces. This is their strategy. They give ESN, Butozo and Gentle, they give them bad name just for them to come and destroy our land in a bid to come in a bid while coming after them, or in a bid to arrest them. We must use our number 6. Igbos, we are not fools. The reason why most of you came to this earth and met a community or a tribe called Igbo today is because of our ancestors. They were united, they were focused, they stood their ground, they fought the common enemy that came across, that came to invade their land. They didn't go for money. They didn't go for wealth. They didn't go for pride. Use your number 6, our people. We must think. Biafra first. Biafra first before any other thing. If you are to go after anybody, go after the Fulanis in our bushes. Go after the criminals in our land. Go after them. Go after money, rituals or ritual killers in our land. Go after them and leave distance yourself from the Biafran security forces. These people are the ones that made Nigerian government to be very much afraid of Mazin and the Kano today. But they are the reason why they cannot touch any of our people in Nigeria today. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Thank you, Biafrans.